come along, guys.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag too. Oh.
Hi guys, how y'all doing? It is post-vacation. My face is going through it. Today is on 24th. Okay, tomorrow is Christmas. I want to go get my hair cut. And I'm also going for shopping. Welcome to the vlog, darlings. Okay guys, let me show y'all my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this top that I thrifted from Think Twice, and I thrifted it with this pants the same day. Can you imagine? This flared pants with these shoes. They're so comfy actually.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way.
It smells so nice. I'm thinking of wearing this black dress with this maroon stocking, or this scarf and this short dress. I just picked this dress over everything. Let me tell you one thing about our family. We put our Christmas tree on the Christmas day, which is crazy because like once you wake up on 1st December going on, but honestly, hakuna mtu anahonga home your 1st December. Everybody is busy at their homes. The kids are not around. So we want to tengeneza the tree, shoot a video for Instagram. Let me show you my full fit. It's a short dress, as you can see. I'm telling you in a few. It has this cute scarf. Yeah, I'm loving the fit, guys. This is our Christmas tree. These are the decoration. They are not much, but they usually look good. We shall show you, and this is the stand we're gonna use.
Next Christmas, I'm not all alone, boy. Santa, tell me if you're really there.
We're done. Who put that star on K? Guys, this is the time I am finishing decorating the Christmas tree. And this is the time I'm taking breakfast. I have my baby here. She's eating breakfast with me too, but she had eaten.
Hi guys, today I am eating my food, and you like and subscribe.
Guys, Masaya kupika imefika. This is chicken I've marinated. Coke is a secret ingredient. These are the meatballs. Nataka kutengeneza burgers with this. I'll put it in the biryani. This is the rice for biryani. Pray for us. It's so late.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling, too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you.
And the final product. Chef for hire. Chef T is done. Chef T is me, of course. I cooked like the burgers like at 7 something, so everyone is full. Nobody's gonna eat right now. I'm so happy because Kesho, I don't have to cook lunch, okay? But tomorrow is my dad's birthday and I am so excited about that. Hi my darling sweethearts. It is the next day. At 9, it's literally at 7:30. This is what I'm wearing. This red top and this pants. And then this cutesy heart that my sister also got me. I am my niece's Santa's secret. Shh. Anyways, wacha niache kuongea sana nisiwabore. Let's get it, guys. You can see your cake. Are you happy? How old are you turning?
6.
You're turning 6. Weka keki juu ya meza. Barbara. Happy birthday, Yada. Hi guys, it is the next day. We did not open the gift yesterday. So I'm trying to write, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm trying to do. So I'm writing who my gift is from Tasha. I'm also writing for my sister, and I want to give the other ones to my parents because I've already given to my siblings. We're going downstairs to unbox. Exciting!
I am Sanda Secrets to Barbara.
Ooh, Barbara, go look for your gift. Yay!
I'm a secret Santa to Dad.
Hey, nice. Hey, very nice.
Thank you. It's a nice one.
Gift imeweza. Imeweza. Yeah! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Wow.
Go every day.
Do you like it? Show people. You're welcome.
What is it?
I think. Oh my god! Oh my god, you guys! Thank you guys. Wow! It even has a dust bag. Oh my god! You say perfect. So guys, this is my outfit of the day. I love it. My dad kept asking, what style is this? This is the Nyati wing. And this is the Kiboko wing. Ours is the Nyati wing. Let me show you. Let me show y'all. Ours is room number 78. And this is how it looks. It's so cutesy, guys. Come on. This is the bathroom. And there's a TV over here. The put towels. And there's this cute mirror. And we can put our clothes there. But this time I don't want to arrange. Look at this cute picture. Come on, guys. And yeah. I don't know. I like the African touch. This is how it looks outside. So cutesy. Come on. So, my sisters are in this other room that you see. And then my parents are in this other room. Let me show you my sister's room. This is my sister's room, guys. Don't care what you want to tell the people. Guys, my parents' bathroom is so cutesy. You can't tell me. It's so big compared to ours. But I love it. I'm just thinking how content here would eat. Anyways, bye guys. Hi guys. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys, for a while. I don't know. But I'm usually so scared of talking on my YouTube because I'm like, and it's my YouTube. I'm like, I don't want to bore you guys. But then there has to be a balance of personality and art, you know, like a balance or a blend. It shouldn't be more personality only or more art only. You feel me? Yeah. Anyways, so right now my siblings are changing because I want to go swim. I don't want to swim today. I will swim tomorrow. Today, I just want to take some nice photos and chill. And I also want to show you guys around. I have been here before, but you guys haven't been here before with me. Come along, guys. So guys, my baby has changed. Oh, you look good, Mama. Where are you going?
I'm going for swimming.
Are you excited?
Yes!
Okay, what do you want to tell my people?
Like and subscribe.
Yes, clock that. Do this, clock that. Okay, bye, guys. Bouncing castle written TikTok. So cool. My mom and my siblings are swimming. I want to go take a photo where that rock is.
Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always want a way to say the wrong thing. I wish that we were laying in the same sheet.
We're just girls. This is how our room is looking currently. I am wearing this nude dress over here with this kitten heels. If you know me, you've seen me with this kitten heels so many times. I'm wearing into this fluffy jacket. Yeah, my outfit is so simple, and I'm putting on this black wig. Hey guys, so I am doing my makeup. I've currently put concealer. I just wanted to settle down, okay? Ronke, what are you doing? Show the people what you're doing.
I'm just like...
She's just doing her lip gloss because she's just a baby. I'm ready. Look at my jacket. It's my highlight for my outfit. It's giving rich auntie. Come on, you can't tell me it's not. I'm wearing flat shoes, guys, because we are about to walk. My parents have left us and our room is far from the dining area. Okay, guys? So it's me and my heels on my hands and my flat shoes with this heavy coat. What I'm having for dinner. I don't like the beef. I think I also didn't like the beef. But the tilapia is nice. But then there's going to there's going to be lantern. Have you seen them?
Two-time baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off of.
To financial freedom. Guys, this is what I'm doing. Buy lantern to a better 2026. I can't wait no more. We're on another walk. Walking 10, Natasha 2, because my feet are hurting, guys. But this place is so cute. It's giving up country, but like cutesy. You guys see? Yo, I forgot to update you guys. So it is checking out day. This is my outfit of the day, and we're going for breakfast. So come along. I take my words back. I just found them horses. There's another one over there, and there are two other ones over there. You can see. Zinanishtua venye zinafanya hivyo. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now. One step to the right. Hi guys, it's lunchtime. I really love my outfits, guys. I can't even tell you guys how much I do. This is what I'm having for starters. Okay, my sister really wants to be seen, guys. This is what she's having. She's having fries with chicken. Oh, and dessert. I'm so full. I just want fruits, but I have to eat because I've paid. My mom is bringing the meat. Guys, my mom brought meat for us. Excited! I love meat. Cheers! And me?
You have to finish it.
Cheers!
You have to find more here.
Guys, my dad is sharing with everyone the achievement. What? Aki Barbara.
Objects were mine.
She's saying she wants to reduce your event to January.
Exactly.
Only
See, people are saying they want to reduce weight in January. But we're definitely eating. We're not in the gym. As we enter a new year, may God help us walk in our purpose, live with discipline, and become all we were created to be. Happy New Year, my subbies. I love you so much. The end.